As your digital archive grows by the minute, how do you begin to manage it, or even use it as intended? Securamax by Provision. Securamax is a reliable, simple, and secure video management solution designed to integrate with Provision's drive recorder, multi-camera recording systems, and body cameras, keeping all of your recorded video automated and securely stored in one location. With cloud or local storage options, the CJIS-compliant system allows for quick access of video whenever it's needed. No searching through hard drives or endless file structures to find what you need. With Securamax, you can easily share video via email, and unlike outdated technology, Securamax allows you to add an expiration date, redactions, and specific permissions and restrictions to the data you're sharing, allowing you to keep control of your video while it's in someone else's hands. A detailed audit report tracks a file from the moment it's uploaded. The report provides a transparent timeline of when it was created, accessed, and if and when it was shared, all while maintaining a digital fingerprint to ensure the video hasn't been manipulated. Securamax Video Management provides customizable retention cycles to clear lapsed data. Securamax's file lockdown feature lets you save files beyond the retention cycle, while expiring files will be removed and deleted, keeping your storage capacity down and reducing your digital archive. Securamax Video Management. Reliable, simple, secure. By Provision.